Hi, I'm Jessamy. I study fashion design here at the University of the Arts London, and now I work in the student recruitment team. I'm here to guide you through the process of preparing a digital portfolio as part of your application to a pre-degree, undergraduate or postgraduate course at UAL. The first thing you need to do is check the Apply section of your course webpage to find out what kind of digital portfolio you'll need to create. Depending on the course you've applied to, your portfolio may include images, sound, video, or written work, and it's likely there's course-specific work you'll need to include. Once you've done that, let's go through things step by step. Step 1. Decide what work to include. Just like when you create a physical portfolio, you'll need to start by selecting the work you want to include in each page. We recommend you include work from around 3 to 5 projects. This will help you demonstrate a range of ideas and skills. Support these projects with different types of work, such as pages from your sketchbooks, drawings, inspiration and research work, or video reels, social media content, sound clips, or 3D objects. For pre-degree and undergraduate courses in particular, don't forget that we aren't just looking for polished, finished work. It's about your potential and the journey that you've been on. So, remember to show how you've got to your idea, from the original concepts all the way through to the completed pieces. Tell us the story of each project by thinking research, process, outcome as you build your portfolio, and let your own personal style shine through. Step 2. Prepare your work. Once you've made your selection, you'll need to start getting your work ready to add to your digital portfolio pages. This could include taking good quality photos, videos, or scans of any physical work, such as sketchbooks or 3D objects, such as sculpture, 3D models, and jewellery. It might also include getting any video or sound work ready by editing them into shorter clips or show reels. The portfolio information on the course webpage will give you more guidance around this if this is relevant to your course. To photograph physical work, place it against a white or neutral background. Use natural light rather than a flash, and try to illustrate the context and the scale of your work. For example, take shots of your work in its natural environment to demonstrate its use. Try photographing jewellery and fashion on a body or architectural ideas within a landscape. Make sure to take clear close-up shots so that nobody misses those small but very important details that make your work so unique. Short videos of your physical work, such as sketchbooks, can also work really well. Step 3. Create your portfolio pages. Now you've selected your work and have it ready in a digital format, you'll need to create the individual pages that will eventually form your portfolio. You can use any software you like, such as InDesign, PowerPoint, or free software such as Paint, Google Slides, or Canva. The number of pages you'll need to include depends on the course you're applying to. You'll find all of this information on your course webpage. For videos, sound clips, and animation work, you can just add the original file directly when you upload your pages. Just make sure any video or sound clips are edited so they can be reviewed easily. Remember, we review your digital portfolio on a laptop screen, so it's important that your pages are clean and simple. When arranging your work, consider the following points. Think of each digital portfolio page as a sheet of A4 landscape paper. You can include more than one piece of work on a page, but it's important to avoid overcrowding. If a page is too small or cramped, we won't be able to see it properly. The use of white space can be a powerful presentation tool. Use a grid as an invisible guide. This can help you create a clear and consistent structure. Avoid busy coloured backgrounds or decorative frames around your work. It's helpful to add project titles, themes, and captions to the pages to explain your work. Just make sure that you use a clear and simple font and keep text short and concise. You'll have a chance to add longer, more detailed captions to your portfolio later in the process when you upload your pages. Once you're happy with your individual portfolio pages, save each page as a separate file ready for the next step in the process. Our online portfolio tool, PebblePad, accepts many file types. PDFs aren't usually accepted except by a very small number of courses. This will be clearly mentioned on the course webpage. Make sure each file is no more than 512 megabytes in size and a maximum of 4,000 pixels in height or width. Step 4. Upload to PebblePad. So, you've created your individual pages, but what's next? All you need to do now is upload your pages to PebblePad, our online portfolio tool. This is how your digital portfolio is created. At this point, you'll have the opportunity to add captions to each page to explain more about your work, and you'll be able to add any video or sound files. Your next step is to watch our guide to uploading your UAL portfolio to PebblePad video, which talks you through the process of logging in and uploading your digital portfolio pages. Good luck with your application, and we hope to see you at UAL soon.